The Turkish Navy has made rapid progress in close-in defense, combining confidence, precision, and next-generation technology. Here's a complete breakdown of the key systems that define its capabilities. Gökdeniz CIWS. Precision, combined with power. The Gökdeniz CIWS, close-in weapon system, developed by Aselsan, is Turkey's primary last line of defense against incoming threats, especially at close range. Twin 35mm automatic cannons, originally based on the Korkut SPAAG system. An exceptional combined rate of fire of up to 1,100 rounds per minute, with an effective range of up to 4 kilometers. A linkless automatic loading system allows for seamless switching between high-explosive incendiary and ATOM airburst ammunition. Equipped with a 3D search radar, tracking radar, and electro-optical EO array, capable of operating autonomously at night or in adverse weather. Modular data integration allows the Gokdenis to share targeting data with the ship's Combat Management System, CMS. Installed on Istanbul-class frigates and currently being rolled out across the fleet, it was tested on the TCG Sokulu Mehmet Pasha training ship, 2018, to refine the turret's design and performance. It also arms the TCG Derya refueling ship, which carries 2 Gokdenis systems, demonstrating the increasing reliance on these systems across ship classes. Export success. Featured on the Turkmenistan-owned corvette Deniz Han and the Philippines-owned BRP Miguel Malvar, marking global recognition and adoption. Although not domestically manufactured, the Zenith CIWS has served Turkey reliably. Developed by Oerlikon Contravs, this 4-barrel 25mm autocannon is still featured on the older Miko 200 frigates, Barbaros and Yavuz class. Firing 25 184 mm rounds at a rate of approximately 800 rounds per minute, the Seaguard radar-guided enclosed turret is excellent for countering airborne threats, including submarine-launched missiles. It remains part of a multi-layered defense system, even as more advanced domestic systems are being phased out. A cutting-edge missile-based CIWS developed by Aselsan in collaboration with TÜBİTAKSAGE. Equipped with imaging infrared (IIR) guided missiles with AI-assisted fire control. Capable of engaging threats up to 15 km away, it offers flexible 360-degree interception capabilities. The VLS, vertical launch system, is suitable for high missile capacity on larger platforms. The turret is self-contained, with integrated radar and EO sensors for smaller vessels. The first successful live fire took place in February 2025 aboard the corvette TCG Beykoz, another missile-based CIWS designed by Roketsan and publicly unveiled at IDEF 2023. It features infrared and radio frequency guidance with a range of up to 11 km. It supports 360° combat and can operate independently or through integration with a ship's CMS. It completed its first live fire test in 2024. Goksur is particularly notable for its dual variants, VLS or standalone, tailored to ship classes. Turkey also deploys advanced vertical launch systems, e.g. midless, capable of firing Hisar DRF, Sniper, Sapan, and Atmaka missiles, dramatically extending their attack range. The TF-2000 class destroyers will integrate every level of these capabilities, including future-oriented systems such as high-energy lasers, electromagnetic railguns, and armed unmanned systems. Gökdeniz CIWS 35mm autocannon, 4 km dual ammunition type, autonomous targeting, domestically produced and widely used. See Zenith CIWS 25mm autocannon short. The older and reliable Oerlikon-based system is still in limited service. Turkey's modern naval forces excel in close-range defense through a sophisticated and indigenous multi-layered system, merging high-speed autocannons like Gökdeniz with advanced missile-based CIWS solutions such as Levent and Goksur. These systems are tightly integrated into national platforms via VLS, CMS, and sensor suites, elevating threat detection and response. The export of systems like Gokdenis and domestic trials of missile-based systems underscore Turkey's technological prowess and growing influence in naval defense, both at home and abroad.